Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my March Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't done a formal Boxycharm unboxing in a while. Actually, I think I did. I might have done one last month. This one's going to be late, but I'm really excited about the stuff I got in this box. I did already open it and kind of check everything out, but I will swatch everything. So this is what the box looks like. So you open it up, and this is the stuff that you get. This month's theme is Bae Cation. It comes with this little card, and it has all of the products, descriptions, and pricing on this, so you can see what a good deal you're getting. So the first thing I see in here is this Pretty Vulgar blush. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them blush, and it retails for $26. So I think the shade is Make Them Blush. This is actually a really pretty shade. I was afraid. I saw a super bright pink in these spoilers, but I actually got the perfect shade. This is something that I will probably use a lot, so I'm going to swatch it right here for the first time. It is very soft. I got a little bit of kick up. Oh, that's pretty. I really like this shade. This is my kind of blush. I feel like most of the time when they give you like color variations, I get a color that won't work for me, that I probably won't use. So I'm so excited that I actually got a blush that I will use. The next thing in here is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This retails for $20. I don't really care for mascaras. If you've watched any of my videos, a lot of the times I tell you I have tiny lashes. Mascara doesn't really make a difference on me because I always have to wear falsies. I literally have the tiniest stubby lashes. They suck. So mascara, the biggest difference I see in mascaras is how they look on my lower lash line. But I will still test this out. Or actually I might end up giving it away because I already have so many mascaras right now. Okay, the next thing in here that I'm actually really excited to try out, these are the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. These retail for $10. You get 3 gel packs. So what you do is you put these on before you do your makeup. Reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes your under eye area. So that's really cool. I'm excited to try these. Some days I wake up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks like I was punched in the face. So it comes in this little pack like this. It has 2 little like under eye like C's that you put right under your eyes right here, and it's supposed to, like I said, moisturize, reduce puffiness, and reduce dark circles. So I'm excited to try these out. I like to try my Boxycharm items in first impression videos, so a lot of these you will see in upcoming videos. The next product is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set. Personally, I love when we get new brushes in our Boxycharms. I know a lot of people complain because it seems like they've given us a ton of brushes, but you can never have too many brushes. So I'm all for that. I wish I could open this. That'd be really cool. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like. They're actually really cute. They have this off-white handle with the silver right up here, and they are white bristles. They are weird shapes. These are weird. This one will be perfect for me to contour my nose. This is my favorite shape brush to contour my nose with. This one right here will be perfect to smoke out the lower lash line. I love brushes like this for that. And this one's kind of weird. It's more of a fluffy brush, but it's angled, so that's kind of odd. I feel like you could probably create a really nice cat eye effect with this. So we'll see. And then the last thing in this box, which is the star of the show, this is the Pure Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. This retails for $36. Oh, those brushes retailed for $23.15. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It is really pretty. I love eyeshadow palettes like this. It also has a really nice mirror on it, so that's nice. It has the shade names on the palette, which I appreciate. And then it has a mix of mattes and shimmers, and it also has some pops of color, which I appreciate that a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of these. Let's swatch this MIA or Mia. I don't know, Mia. and this BFF and Nike. Ooh, they are soft. They are really, really soft. Okay, so there's... Wow. Those are pretty. Okay, those felt really, really nice. They were very creamy and buttery, and they went on really nicely. There wasn't a ton of kick up, and the matte swatched beautifully. So I'm really excited to use that palette in a first impressions. That was a really cool palette, so I'm excited about this box. I actually really liked basically everything that came in the box this time. I'm excited about. Okay, so I added it up, and this box retails for $115.15. So you pay $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 high-end products shipped to you, full-size high-end products shipped to you every single month. It's a killer deal, obviously. You pay $21, and I just got $115 worth of products. Even if you only like 2 or 3 of the products out of the box, it's still 100% worth it. Usually one of the products is worth what you paid for the box, so that's awesome. If you haven't checked out Boxycharm yet, I highly suggest you do. It's one of my favorite things that I look forward to every single month. Ignore my messed up finger. I accidentally lifted my nail and my real nail, my fake nail and my real nail, ripped it almost all the way off again. I did it this time last year. So you're going to be looking at an ugly band-aid finger for probably a couple of months. It sucks, I know, and it hurts really bad. Okay guys, so that was everything in this box. If you liked this quick little unboxing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. I did film this eyeshadow look and this face makeup in a couple different videos. Those 2 videos will be coming up next, so make sure to look out for those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.